If you want to play the Samson game on your PC, then in order to have it set up, follow these simple steps. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you have logged in and once you log in and end up within the store page, click on the search box and then type in Samson to begin your search. Once you find the Samson game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart. This will then add this to your shopping cart, and if you click on View My Cart, you may continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. Enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and after you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location, and after the download and install is completed, you may start enjoying the Samson game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how you can download and install Samson on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.